Hello, today I'll be showing you how to install n8n with Docker Desktop easy and fast in under 5 minutes. So let's get straight to the point. First of all, I want you to go to docker.com and download Docker Desktop. Just download it depending on what your operating system is. I'm currently using a Mac, so I'm going to download the Apple Silicon. So just download it and then you would just install it like you would install any other apps on your operating system. And after you've done that, just open it. So in here, because I'm on a Mac, I'm going to open it. And here, first thing that you wanted to do, which is very important, is to create a volume. What is a volume? Is basically the place where you save the data. So even if your n8n or Docker is restarting, your laptop is restarting, the data would still be saved in here. So just click here to create a volume and just name it n8n_data, just the default name. And then here, and then that's it. We just managed to create a volume. And then after that, you want to pull the n8n images. So basically what is images is basically a blueprint on how to build n8n inside the Docker. So in here, you would just search n8n. Here, as you can see, the top one, just pull it. As you can see here, we managed to pull it. And then currently it's pulling and you just need to wait until it's done. And now we have successfully downloaded the images. And now we are going to run it. And if you notice here, if we go to the n8n documentation, the way that they want us to run it is by using the terminal and then running this exact command. Now we're going to run this exact command by using the Docker Desktop. Let me show you how to do that. So you can just click run and then just open this optional settings, and then you would pull all the value from here into here. So if you notice here, it asks for a certain values, the container name, the ports, the volumes, and the environment variables. Which, if you also see here, we have the names, this is the ports, and then this is the environment value, and this is the volume. So this is how we are going to translate it into Docker Desktop. First, the name would be n8n, and then the host port will be 5678, the same with the one from the n8n documentation. And for the volumes, for the host path, you can use the name of the volumes that we just created, which is n8n_data. And then for the container path, it is this one, which is /home/node/.n8n. Just copy it here. And then for the environment variables, we can take it from here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And you just copy and paste it right there. So we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We got generic time zone also. We got this one, and then we got this one. And then you just set the value, which is true, and this one is time zone. So you set this to true, this one is also to true. And for the time zone, for your own specific time zone, you can click here. And then for me, I would just search for Jakarta, because that's where I am. And you just copy this one, Asia/Jakarta. And you just copy it here. And then you click run. And with all this value being set up, it will be the same as the one in the n8n documentations. It will take a few seconds to install, and once it's done, it should be available on your local host port 5678. And now you have a fully functioning n8n running locally on your computer. Now you just need to set up the owner account and you can mess around with it. But one thing to note is that webhooks from external apps won't work on local hosts. So we need to implement a solution of tunneling using something like ngrok or Cloudflare Tunnel. And if you guys are interested in that, I'll cover that in another tutorial. And that's it for this video. If you have any question, please leave a comment below and I'll answer it right away. And until next time, happy flowgramming.